Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Jira to enable SAML SSO with Okta, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Jira account as an administrator. Navigate to the Jira settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select User Management from the drop-down menu. In the User Management section, click on SAML SSO located in the left sidebar. You will see a prompt to begin the SAML SSO setup. Click on the Add SAML SSO Configuration button to start the configuration process. Now, switch to your Okta account in a new tab or window. In Okta, navigate to the Applications section from the dashboard. Select Add Application to create a new SAML integration for Jira. Choose Create New App and proceed to select Web as the platform type. Select SAML 2.0 as the sign-on method and click Next. In the General Settings page, provide a name for the application, such as Jira SSO. In the Single Sign-On URL field, enter the SSO URL from your Jira SAML configuration page. For the Audience URI, SP Entity ID, enter the entity ID provided by your Jira instance. In the Default Relay State field, you can leave this blank. Under Attribute Statements, add the necessary attributes for user information. Typically, you need email mapped to user.email and firstname mapped to user.firstname. Click on Next after filling out the attributes. Review the settings and click Finish to complete the application setup in Okta. Now, go back to your Jira SAML configuration page. Copy the identity provider metadata URL provided by Okta. Return to Jira and paste this URL into the identity provider metadata URL field. Fill out the remaining fields, including the service provider, SP, entity ID if required. Make sure to set the user attribute settings accordingly to match your Okta configurations. Click Test Connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the test is successful, click Save Configuration. You now have SAML SSO enabled for your Jira account using Okta. To verify the setup, log out of your Jira account and attempt to log in again. You should be redirected to Okta for authentication. Enter your Okta credentials and complete the sign-in process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.